Now in 3.6, we're going to identify the critical path for the network. In each instance, the time is days. So our first task, starting at the start point, 0, 0 by definition. This can only be 10 for the earliest start time for C. And then we've got a little bit of a competition. Down in this bottom lane, we've got 14, 14, and 5 is an option which would give us 19, but 10 and 20 and 11 gives us 21. Is the time that we will choose for the earliest start time for G. Now I'll work this top chain out for a little bit longer. 21 and 10 will give us 31. Now there's a few options we have to investigate now. There's a bit of competition for where E can finish and hence J and then K etc. can start. So what we've got here, 14 and 15 is 29, but 21 and 10 gives us 21 and 12, I should say, sorry, gives us the 33. Now working this top line, 33 and 10 gives us 43, but 31 and 16, 47. In the bottom line here, a competition, 14 and 20, but 33 and 6 gives us 39. So the earliest start time for activity M is 39 days. Now 39 and 12, 51, but this top line here on N, we've got 47 and 9 giving us the 56. Now that would appear that this top branch set is our critical path. And what then remains for me to do is to fill in the latest finishing times for the critical path. So in other words, we've got 56 minutes, if it's 6 days. I should really write down. And that will follow the activity sequence and then backtracking or back scanning to put in the latest finishing times. Everything along the critical path has to finish before the next one can start. Now for the activities that aren't on the critical path, I've got a backward scan. So for M, the latest finishing time for M is 12. So 56 take 12 will give me 44. Now that influences the latest finishing time for J and F. Now I'll go up this particular chain here. 44 take 6 is 38. But 56 take 21 gives me 35. So the latest finishing time into this sequence here, 35 days. Now, a bit of a choice here. I have to check both. The smallest one will win out. 35 less 15 is 20. 44 take 20 is 24. So the 20 option wins out. Now, in the rest of this activity, we'll be looking to see what happens when we save time on activity H. So I'll shorten that, but I will have to rework it.